Hi, this is the live demo of the automated inspection machine. Over here you can see there's the PLC, HMI, the web page which serves as a remote control center, and there's a conveyor belt which is controlled by the PLC. So the whole system will work in this manner. The item under test will be placed at the beginning of the conveyor. Once it's detected by the start sensor, it will be moved forward. Once you reach the end sensor, it will be stopped and you'll be inspected by the inspection machine. If the result is positive, the item will be moved forward and dropped into the good bin. If the result is negative, which means this is the failed item, it will be travel backward. Once it's detected by the inductive sensor, and you'll be pushed into the back bin. So this is how the process works. And this is the passing rate, and this is how the passing rate being calculated. Now let's take a look at the live demo. Now this is the HMI. Currently the keypad is disabled. Whatever key you press, there will be no response at all. In order to enable the keypad, we can click at the enable keypad at the web page. And right now the keypad should be enabled. You press a 3, you can see there's a response there. Hit enter, the 3 will be transferred to this counter. Now we have 3 items to be inspected. So let's put in the first item and you'll travel forward. Once you reach this end, you'll be stopped, inspected, and the result will be a pass. So as you can see from here, the good counter incremented by 1, and the passing rate is 100%. 1 tested and 1 passed, so it's 100%. Now we're going to test the second items. Come to the end and you will be stopped and you'll be inspected, and the result is fail. So once you're detected by the inductive sensor, and you'll be dropped into the bad bin. And you can see from here, the bad counter has been incremented by 1. So the passing rate is 50%. 2 tested, 1 pass, 1 fail. So the passing rate is 50% based on this formula here. Now let's take a look at the third item. Stop there, inspected, and the result is passed. Now there will be 2 good items. Out of 3, 2 pass. So the passing rate is 67%. 2 pass, 1 fail. Right now, we can enter another number which belongs to the second batch. If you happen to be a wrong number, you can just click the clear to clear it. If you happen to enter a 0, there will be an error message because you're not allowed to enter a 0. If you want to reset all the counter, just simply press the reset button. The whole system will be reset back to its initial stage. The remote web page will be displaying all the zeros back to the initial stage. Okay, for this program, it also support simulation mode, meaning if there is no physical conveyor, we still can test out the program. This 3 button here is actually simulating the start sensor. The end is simulating the end sensor. The inductive is simulating the inductive sensor. So without the physical sensor, we can use these 3 buttons to simulate the sensor. Let's see how it works. Now let's enter a value 3. That means there will be 3 items to be inspected. We press start. Now the item is moving forward. Once you hit the end, and you'll be stopped and you'll be get inspected. You see, it is a fail item. Once you hit the inductive sensor, it will be forced into the bad beam. So let's take a look at the second one. Start testing the second one, moving forward, stop, inspected, as you can see the counter here, and the result is fail. So once you hit the inductive sensor, it will be pushed into the bad beam. Now you can see that the bad is 2 now. Start to test the third one, stop it, get inspected. You can see the counter here, and it's bad again. So altogether, there will be 3 bad items. And the passing rate is 0. So the first batch, all fail. Now we're going to test the second batch. Also 3 items. First item of the second batch is a pass. So you can see 1 pass now. And it's reflected on the remote web page. Out of 4, 1 pass. So it's 25% passing rate. Start the second item of the second batch, end it, inspect it, and the result is fail. So once you reach the inductive sensor, and you'll be pushed into the bad bin by the solenoid. This is the third item, and the result is pass. So you can see that the good bin will increase by 1. It now becomes 2. So this is second batch. Second batch has completed the inspection. So all in all, 6 inspected, 2 pass. So that is the passing rate. Now we're going to disable the keypad. Once it's disabled, whatever key you're going to enter, there will be no response at all. Here comes to the end of the demonstrations. Thank you for watching.